Need to replace the controller on your Traeger Pro 575? Traeger calls it the D2 WiFIRE controller, and today we're swapping it for a brand new one. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's a straightforward job, about 20 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1. But first, power switch off, cord unplugged, and everything cool. Then, we can work. The controller sits right on the front face of the pellet hopper. Take out the fasteners around its edge and put them somewhere you will find them again. They are the only thing holding it in. Step 2. Now draw the controller straight forward out of its opening. Slowly. There is wiring on the back of it and it is short. Bring it out only as far as the wiring lets you and rest it there. Nothing gets pulled. Step 3. Turn the control over. Everything this grill does runs through the connectors on the back of it. Release them one at a time and pull each one apart by the connector body, never by the wires. With the last one off, the old control is free. Set it down somewhere clean and dry. Step 4. Pick up the new controller and plug the wiring back into it, matching the photo you took. Push each connector home until it seats, then give it a gentle tug. If it moves, it is not in. A loose connector is an error code waiting to happen. Step 5. Feed the wiring back into the hopper first so none of it gets pinched behind the control. Then, set the new controller into the opening, square, and hold it flat against the face. It should sit flush all the way around before a single fastener goes in. Step 6. Run the fasteners back in, working corner to corner so the controller pulls in evenly. Snug is all you need here. Over-tightening is how a faceplate cracks, and this is an expensive part to crack. Step 7. Plug the grill back in and flip the main power switch on the back to on. Press any button on the new control to wake it up. Give it a few seconds and the home screen comes up. Now turn the dial. The temperature on screen should move with it, smooth and steady. That is your new controller talking to you. Step 8. Your new controller is a brand new device, so it does not know your network. Open the Traeger app on your phone and walk through connecting the grill again. On the control itself, press Menu, then Wi-Fi information, and it will tell you where you stand. Skip this, and the grill still cooks. You just lose the app. Now, let's make sure it's working. First, the screen. Switch on at the back, press any button, and the home screen should come up within a few seconds. Second, a clean screen with no error message sitting on it. If an old one is stuck there, press Menu, go to Settings, and choose Clear Notifications. Third, press Menu, select Auger, then Prime Auger. About 2 minutes, and pellets should start dropping into the fire pot. And last, run a real cook. Press Ignite, and watch for fire in the fire pot, smoke out of the chimney, and a steady temperature on that new screen. Pass all of these, and this repair is finished. 2 quick things before you go. First, and this one can save you the whole part. If your screen is dead, take the control out and look at the back of it. There is a fuse in there. Traeger's own manual says, check that fuse and replace it if it's blown before anything else. A blown fuse and a dead controller look identical from the front, and one of them costs a couple of dollars. And second, if the grill runs but no pellets come through, watch the little fan blade on the back of the auger motor. If it turns, the motor is fine, and the manual points straight at the control. Before you go, 2 quick ways to make this new controller last. First, keep the weather off it. Water is what kills electronics on a grill, so cover it when you're not cooking and keep water out of the hopper. And second, mind the cold. The manual warns that in deep cold, well below zero, the display itself can be damaged. Cover it or bring it in when winter turns hard. And this repair will last for years. That's it. Everything we used is linked in the description below. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.